Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's day 31 of 31 Days of FLUTIEWEEN, you guys. Happy Halloween. And this little guy wanted to make an appearance and say hi. This is Kobe. Yeah, so I don't know if you saw in the beginning, but I have a surprise for you guys. And it's that I got to do Leona Lewis's makeup, and it was seriously such an honor. I had such a great time, and yeah, it was more special effects heavy than I'm used to, but it was definitely a fun challenge, and I really like how it turned out. So if you want to see me transform her into a stabbed through the neck rose skull thing, then keep watching. And before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please hit subscribe and turn on your notifications, because there is going to be a giant giveaway just saying thank you for everything this month. And yeah, let's just jump into the video. Alright, so first I just started out by splitting it down the middle and creating these cracks just so I can kind of see where I want everything to be at, and then taking some white cream paint and just starting the skull. Then you gotta powder that because the cream paint is super sticky. Now I'm just using some face paint to create the teeth. Just kind of mapping everything out first. Now I'm starting to shade with the Mimi Choi palette, Black Shadow. Just slowly starting to create the dimension on the teeth. Then just shading under that crack and starting the nose. Just really taking my time, creating dimension on everything. Now I'm just making those cracks a little bit darker and longer, just using a black face paint. And then filling in the nose and all the other areas that I used the black shadow on. I'm just shading a little bit more and then taking a white face paint and adding the highlights. I'm starting on this side just using a red shadow. Kind of wanted to make like a dark red smoky eye on that side. And then using a shimmer on the lid. Now this part was really fun. We created some blood tears, but then I added all these little fake diamonds to it. I just thought it looked really glam compared to the skull side. Adding a little blush and using the Milani lip liners. I really love these. And then just using the NYX Cosmetic Buttergloss and just adding that on there as well. And then finally I had to torture her and put the black on her eyes. I waited till the last second because I know I don't really like having it on there for very long. So yeah, just using some face paint and filling that in. Just shading those cracks one more time just to make them look super dimensional. And then adding some highlights on top of the crack just so it really looks like it's on top of the skull. So now the moment of truth, we're doing the rose through the neck. So I'm really just sticking latex and cotton balls and kind of creating like a little thing that holds it up. And then using a blow dryer because it was taking forever to dry and I didn't want to torture her for too long. And then just powdering that latex and covering it with a skin color that matches her skin. And then I did add blood and forgot to record that part, and that was like the most fun part. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think she looks so beautiful and really pulls this off really well. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. It is like the most special effects I've ever done, just doing something like completely through the neck, and I really like how it turned out. So let me know what you guys think, and yeah, happy Halloween, guys. We did it. We made it. You see how happy I am? It's finally done. Yay, Kobe. I can hang out with you again. But yeah, thank you guys so much for everything this month, all your support. We got to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm just so grateful for you. So if you did like this video, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you want to keep going. I'm not going to stop here. This isn't the end of YouTube or videos or anything. It's only the beginning. So yeah, I hope you guys come back, and it's going to be a cool giveaway just to say thanks for everything. Have a great Halloween, stay safe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.